Both lawyers, if you present your final arguments, I call upon plaintiff lawyer to come and present your final argument first. Your Honor, ladies and gentlemen, from the witnesses' testimonies, we can clearly conclude that Datin Cecilia is highly regarded as a good wife and a good mother, and even her friend Datin Masalah can vouch for her good personalities and her good virtues. But because of the baseless defamation, his slander made by Bobo N, my client is not only has to bear the shame of being called a shameless, immoral woman, but she also has to face constant harassment from the media due to her title as a Datin. Imagine this, ladies and gentlemen. How would it feel like to be called an immoral woman, to be called a shameless woman who goes after her own family member? Wouldn't it affect your reputation? Worse, wouldn't it affect your psychological and your emotional well-being as a person? Furthermore, to call my client an immoral woman, a prostitute and a stripper by the defendant's witness is totally uncalled for. Clearly, the testimony has no substantial evidence or whatsoever to prove my client has done those previous jobs. And this kind of accusation is totally unfair to my client. In addition, the video that we have saw just now is blurred and dark and could not identify that my client was in it. So how can we be sure that my client has indeed committed such an act? Those persons who want to win this case obviously could have manipulated, could have edited the video with the advance of technology these days. Haven't you guys thought of that? So with all these possibilities, Your Honor, I would conclude that the defendant Bobo N is liable under Section 4 and 6 of the Defamation Act, and they should be made to pay a compensation of RM 5.5 million.